Now this Hotpepper Tabasco flip phone has a password right there. Now you cannot unlock the screen unless if you know what the password. Now if you forget what the password, let me show you how you can do factory reset or hard reset for the phone, and you should be able to remove the password. And this is right stick. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up and let's find out. Now normally to unlock the screen you should press star and then you should have a certain pin. You have to enter the pin and then press OK to unlock the phone. So in this case you don't know or you forgot the pin. First thing, you need to shut the phone completely off by pressing and hold on the power key. You have to hold till the phone completely shuts off. So go ahead, press and keep holding on the power key till the phone shut down completely. Now the phone is completely off. Here's what we need to do. We need to press power and volume up together, so that way the phone will take us to the recovery mode. So let's go ahead and do it. Power and volume up together. Now when you reach this screen, you can navigate through the volume up right there, as you guys can see, and we need to select option recovery. Now if you read the instruction, they're gonna tell you you have to use the volume down to select, but if you press volume down, nothing's gonna happen. What you need to do instead, you need to press this key right there. You see this? Selecting now recovery. I have this arrow right there and press on this key. Now the phone will take us to the recovery mode. We just have to wait. They will have a bunch of options. You can go up, down with this arrow. And we need to go to wipe data factory reset. Now to select, if you press OK or you press this key, it's not going to do anything. You need to press the power button right there to select wipe data factory reset. So go ahead and tap and also select factory data reset, because you will have two options, and also you have to use the power key to select. Now the phone is going to start formatting and then it will take us back to this screen. Now from here just keep the first option, reboot system now, and also press on the power key. Now the phone might take a few minutes and the phone will be as brand new the first time you purchase the phone. And after finish booting the system, it will give you two options, and you have to go and tap on next by clicking on this specific key and choose the language you want, and your phone back as new. There is no password or whatsoever, and you can use your phone, but you're gonna lose all the information. Put that in your mind before you do the factory reset. And that was very much it for that video. I wish you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more here on Variety Stick. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in the next video.